Welcome to my channel, Shiv SPF and Puzzles. Today we are going to learn how to solve this wooden snake cube. Here first of all we have to make straight of this wooden snake cube, or we can say twist cube. So after making straight, so you clearly observe that here we are having many small pieces. So when you place that up on the table, then you make it vertical. When you make it vertical, here you can see clearly that there is a one M at the one end, and another end we have W. So this W side we have two pieces that we can make it into the rectangle. So 6 pieces rectangle we will get first. After getting this rectangle, just we have to rotate one piece beside the rectangle, and you should make it that one line beside that rectangle. After making one line, here in front of the rectangle there is a one gap. Only two pieces are there. The third gap we have to fill it. So when we, by using the side pieces, we can fill that gap. So that piece we have to bring it in front of the rectangle. Then after that, it is simple that two straight lines we will get. Okay, one line we will get front, and one line we will get right side. After getting these two lines, we have to search for the Z. One Z, here we can see clearly that there is a one Z. This Z, it will come in front of the rectangle. So when you get this Z, place it properly with the one black, one white, another black, another white piece. We got Z. Then we'll get straight lines. One vertical line, another one horizontal line, another one horizontal line, and the last line we will get in this manner. So we can solve a cube. It is a 3D cube. So this cube we can solve easily. This we can get separately in Flipkart and Amazon. But if you are buying 3 wooden puzzles at a time, all the 3 wooden puzzles will get for the 300 rupees, either in Flipkart or Miso or Amazon. Again, you can make it straight line like this again. Again, you will get M and W. So keep it in mind that we have to start from the W side. First, we have to make it rectangle. Thank you.